and verandahs. Pathways are laid in big plots, gardens, fields and grounds. These pathways may be parallel to either length, breadth or both, or maybe around the field. There may be verandahs around a house. Pathways like, suppose this is a rectangular field. What did it say? These pathways may be parallel either to length. So maybe like this. So parallel to length. This is length. Or it may be parallel to breadth. This is breadth. Or it may be both parallel to length, parallel to breadth. Like this. Or it may be all around the field. Means if this is a rectangular field, all around means like this. So likewise, the different pathways are laid and we have to find out the area of these pathway in the particular field. To understand pathways and verandahs in a better way, let us do some examples. Example 5. A garden is 150 meter long and 50 meter wide. Two crossroads, each of 5 meter wide, one parallel to the length and another parallel to the breadth, are laid in the middle of the garden. We have to find out the area of crossroads. Now let us see what is the solution. For all such questions, to find out area, we have to draw geometrical figure, be it rectangle or square. Now here it is a rectangular field with length 150 meter and breadth 50 meter. Now two crossroads are to be made here, one parallel to the length and another parallel to the breadth. So when this crossroad is parallel to the length, means this is also 150 meter wide, and when this crossroad is parallel to the breadth, means this is 50 meter wide because it is parallel to the breadth. Now we have to find out the shaded portion area. But when we are finding this, we are coming across this middle portion twice. When we are moving, suppose I give name to this A, B, C, D. This is name of one rectangle. Then E, F, G, H, name of the another rectangle. Now this area, the center area, this is crossed twice. Once when we are moving A, B, C, D and when we are moving E, F, G, H. So we have to subtract one time, and this is a square. Why it is a square? Because this distance of crossroad is 5 meter. Everywhere. It is 5 meter. So this is also 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. So it is a square. Now we have three figures. One rectangle, this is 1. Then another rectangle, 2. And then we have a square. Now what we have to do is, we have to find out the area of these crossroads. So we have one area of area 1 ABCD, area 2 EFGH, we have to add. And this third area of square, we will subtract. Because while moving this way and this way, we are crossing that area twice. So we don't have to calculate it twice. We have to calculate only once. So we'll subtract one time the area. Now let us write in words area of ABCD. The first rectangle plus area of EFGH, the second rectangle, minus what we are subtracting? Third square, that is area of square. Give name IJKL. The third figure. Now what would be the area of ABCD? This is length is 150 and breadth is 5 meter. So 150 meter into 5 meter plus area of EFGH, that is 50 meter into 5 meter. 50 meter into 5 meter minus area of IJKL, that is 5 meter into 5 meter. Why 5 meter into 5 meter? Because it is a square. So 5 meter into 5 meter. Now let us solve this. 150 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. Carry 2. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 750 meter into meter. Meter square. Plus 50 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. So 250. Again meter into meter square minus 5 fives are 25. Meter into meter, meter square. So now what we got is 750 meter square plus 250 meter square minus 25 meter square. So we'll add these two and then subtract. 750 plus 250, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 2, 9. 1, 10. 1000 meter square minus 25 meter square. So what we get is 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. And then this 10 becomes 9. So 975 meter square. So area of crossroads equals to 975 meter square. Here we have drawn the figure. So please draw this geometrical figure whenever you are taking out the area. And we have given names also so that it becomes easier for us to calculate things. Here area of ABCD, area of EFGH we have written. So when you will name, it will be clear for you. So always draw the geometrical figure, write the length, breadth or whatever the things are given so that when you are calculating, the things become easier. So this is example 5, pathways related to